Welcome to the Smart Science How to Measure Lab on the crossing over of Sordaria Smart Science Lab. This is a very intricate and detailed lab, but you notice up above the lab page where you're doing your experimentation, we do have a basic description of the lab showing some of those different crossing over patterns of the fungus in this case. This is Sordaria, and you're going to see these nice distinct patterns of the different colors, whether it be a 2222 or a 242 pattern, or even a 404 pattern. You're going to come down here and see a guideline. It's going to sort of show you what you're looking for, one of those three different patterns we just mentioned. And it's going to talk a little about the map units and how you can calculate out the map units based on the different style of those colors of the fungus. So let's go down to the bottom. We're going to ask, how can the distance from the centromere to the tangene be discovered? You're going to write or pick a hypothesis you'd like to test, and then you've got a whole bunch of different slides that we can try out. Let's just do the first one. The slides are very simple. You press play, and you're going to try to count the different colors. For example, count on image 1 is the 4-4. I see one of those. I'll mark it. Count on the second image is 2222. I don't see that, so I'm going to press next again. And count on the last image, here it is our 242s, and I see two of those. So notice as you mark the things, they'll come up in a data table as a bar graph. So you can see the ASCII type and the number that you got counted. Do this for all 8 of the slides. And then using this information above here, start to do some calculations about how many map units away you are. This should give you the information you need to be successful on this Sordaria crossing over lab. Again, don't forget there's 8 different slides you should do all of. At that point, you can sum up the number of the ASCII that you found and use that to make your determination about how this lab works.